Good God, Woody. Is nothing sacred anymore? What are you doing in the bathroom? Can you exit, please? Woody? Hey, you know better. You go. Little peeping Tom, go. Dancing is not going to keep you in the bathroom. Go, Woody. Go. Woody, go. No. Woody! You are a bad bird. Oh, I'm glad you're proud of yourself.